Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can organize your Discord servers. I'm not sure yet how to do it on PC, but I'm just doing it on my phone. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on a server for a few seconds, like you're just gonna press on it, and you can like move it down or up, as you can see. And you can even put them into folders. So for instance, you have some servers for gaming, some servers for studying, or whatever. But you can do that by pressing on it and like moving it, like hovering it over another server and putting it in like a folder. And to remove that from the folder, you're just going to press on it and select the server again and put it like on top if you want it out of the folder. As you can see, I want both of these servers out of the folder. I'm just going to select it and drag it up, and the folder will not be there anymore. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!